So guys, for the first step, once you're on Microsoft Excel, you want to click on File in the top left, and then you want to click on Options in the bottom left, and now this will come up. And now you want to click on Advanced, and now you want to scroll down until we're on the General tab. Here it is, the General tab right here. And now you want to untick Ask to update automatic links, and now you want to click on the Trust Center. And now you want to click on Trust Center Settings. And now you want to click on Protected View. Now you can turn all of these off, but it's actually a little bit risky. I would personally recommend not doing it, but if you do turn these off, it will make Microsoft Excel load faster. But if you don't want to do that, that's fine, I don't blame you. So now you want to click on Macro Settings, and now you want to click on Disable VBA Macros without notification. By default, it should be Disable VBA Macros with notification. You just want to set it without notification. This will make Microsoft Excel load faster, and then click on OK. Now Microsoft Excel should be loading faster, but you can also try another thing. You can head over to Search and type in Add Remove Programs, click on it. And now you want to scroll down till you find either Excel, Office 365 or Microsoft 365. So for me I have Microsoft Office Professional Plus. So once you find one of those, you want to click on the three dots and then click on Modify. And then click on Yes. And now you want to click on Online Repair and then click on Repair. And then click on Repair again. Now once it's been repaired, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.